You can hit it however you want. Just if you get hit in the leg.
Oh, no.
I told him you are now my camera to draw on, and anyone who asks about it for me, you're gonna get my.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
We have an inflatable Gaga Ball pit with a built-in blower. It has a removable door. This is great for school, church activities, big family gatherings. Easy to set up, and this is what it looks like, set up and ready to use. We have it laid out here on the grass, but this would actually work indoor if you have a large space. We used it for a church event, and the kids absolutely love it. This is what it looks like before the kids got in to use it. You can see lots of space. The door is Velcro, so easy to come on and off, but still a boundary. And here I unpackaged everything and laid it out on the ground so that you know exactly what to expect. It's rolled up really tight, and there's spikes to help keep it on the ground so you can push it into dirt.
Oh, you're out. Yeah.
Do you?
Once you fall down. Oh, right.
A video teacher. Yeah. Oh, he knows.
So either toss in the air or spike on the ground, but it's Gaga Ball. Gaga Ball.
I also wanted to point out that there's a nice large zipper, so it makes it really easy to let the air out when you need to fold it up and store it.